This 100% free tool has a few buttons that need to be clicked and read to earn up to $10 per word. You must first click the read button with a little period of time and then hit the download button. You only need a laptop or smartphone to start this, and you only need to spend a few minutes clicking a few buttons. So make sure you keep watching to get the $100 bonus tip and tip that I have already prepared for you at the end of this video. But before we get started, welcome to Roladel Business, where we show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to Roladel Business and like this video to be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released. Also, click the notification bell button, share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Now, let's get started with the video. This is the first program I will show you that is completely free, and it enables you to easily make money online by pressing a few buttons online. So make sure to watch it to the end because I'll show you another additional tool. Then take advantage of that second tool to raise your internet income. Now, I want you to look at this. As you can see, people are still buying audiobooks every day on Amazon.com, despite there are plenty of them. People can easily get whatever audiobooks they want by visiting Amazon and shopping around. Selling all of these audiobooks online can bring in several hundred or even several $1,000s for us. You don't even have to write any ebooks, perform any graphic design work, or publish any book in order to do this. I'll rather present a simple strategy that no one else has mentioned. By using the first and second free tools I have today, you may easily earn an extra $100 or more. Permit me to now offer a fascinating new development with Amazon Business on acx.com. This website helps you to convert your book into an audiobook, and then it is made available on Audible, Amazon and iTunes, and among other places. As you can see, thousands of people visit this website every day to purchase audiobooks which will be published on this platform. In this video, I will play the role of a storyteller rather than authoring any ebooks. Let me go into further in detail about the procedure. Firstly, creating a free profile. This is the first step and easy to go about. You must sign up for an account, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Once you register for a free account, you can add different sample books while making money from it. One of the novels that people urge you to read is this one, and when you submit the script to acx.com, all you have to do is to get paid is to read the book from cover to cover. You don't need to exert any effort to read any of the script because we are utilizing a very simple tool here. After receiving your audio sample, we can choose from a number of payment methods from the website. Payment options include bank transfer, PayPal money, and digital currency like Bitcoin, Paytm, or Skrill. There are two methods of payments. You can pick between two different payment methods, which is hourly pay or a split of 50% of the royalties. If you are paid per completed hour, you'll be compensated for each minute the script is read. The second method is that you might start getting 50% of the royalties from each sales, which means when your books are published and sold on Amazon, you receive 50% of the sale price each time someone purchases any of the ebooks you have read, whether that occurs in a week, a month, a year, or 10 years from now. You have two options for how you want to be paid and how you want to take your money out. So everything depends on you and how you want it to be. However, the next step, which is step number 4, here is very crucial because you must succeed in a very straightforward test called an audition. Before that, you must pick one of these ebooks in order to send them an audition sample, and as soon as they accept you, you can start working and getting paid every day. You won't need to read any scripts or use any pricey tools like microphones or cameras, since I'll show you a free tool to do it to pass the audition. I'll go over in detail how to copy and paste the entire script using your free tools. To have me do all of the reading for you and submit them a sample script. If you apply this unique method, you can bypass each of these phases. You don't need to undertake any recordings or reading in order to move on to the payment stage. I'll go on to some illustration of the types of audition you could submit. You may notice that there are over 2,215 distinct audition sample ebooks here. As an example, you can get paid if you submit any of these samples and they accept you. You'll be given a script of every one of these ebooks to read. This is but one example of an audition script. Most attendees will start reading from the scripts. They will need a microphone, and it might take minutes or even 10 hours or to finish. But in this video, I want to show you something genuinely amazing. You should go to the first free resource, itsreader.com, where you can copy and paste the entire script and choose any voice you like. You can choose between male and female. Let's say you choose to employ this voice. Simply go back to your script, select a copy, then go back to this free tool and let this test, and then paste your script in its place. I only need to tap the play button after that. pressing the play button and a sample of the audio can be heard. itsreader.com will automatically read the script for you in an extraordinarily natural sounding voice using AI technology and a robot. Once more, you have a choice of any voice, accent or gender. Everything about this is computerized and powered by technology. When you're happy with the audio, just click the download option to save it to your computer or phone. You can do that and upload the entire audio sample to acx.com to be accepted. Naturalreaders.com is the second free tool I would like to demonstrate. This results in a voice that is far more convincing and strong. You can paste any text into this box and choose any voice. When you get to the website, there are tons of options. Again, all you have to do is to hear a preview, is to paste the entire script into this box and hit the play button. Simply click this button after choosing a voice you like to download it as a file to your computer or phone, where you can then apply for it to be accepted. That encapsulates the entire strategy, which is really simple and very fundamental. But as I promised, I'll show you another special extra trick. By simply visiting this website, Roladel.com, and entering the keyword voiceover and pressing the search button here, you can find a number of freelancers on Roladel.com who provide various services to record a voiceover sample. Just let it be known that I selected this merchant that will take me to this page where you can see that he hires a professional voiceover artist to record a voiceover. You might now find different other vendors who will bill you less money. You are not compelled to pay this merchant straight away. The magic happens here. You may find that contact option by scrolling down below. I want you to select the contact me options so you may send the vendor a note or email asking them to give you a sample demo along with this audition script. As soon as this merchant gives you the audition sample, you can submit them for free to acx.com. Once they approve you, you can go back to Roladel website to make payment to this freelancer. You can request a free sample using this approach, then simply come back to the website and submit them without having to risk any of your own money. You can simply locate another merchant and continue doing this till they accept, to make sure you can deal with this freelancer. This strategy is speedier and more perspective. You can choose between employing this free tool strategy and this secret suggestion, Roladel. The earning potential is endless and there is a lot of money to be made on this platform. By joining a simple account with just your name, email address and password, you can open a free global account and start making money. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to Roladel Business. If you enjoyed this video, you may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch out for our upcoming video and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching and bye for now.